In our previous video, we showed how to set up the Magento 2 adapter for the Job Health Vault. Now we're going to take a look at integrations. Integrations are set on a per project basis. And so if you want to set them for a project, we click on Integrations. And if you want to send email notifications, it's as simple as typing in the email. Or if you want to use Slack, we have to do a little bit of setup on the Slack side first. So we'll go to api.slack.com and we'll go to Your Apps and create an app. We'll call it Service Notifications and send it to an existing workspace. Now all we do is we use incoming webhooks to facilitate the communication between the Vault and our Slack client. So we'll click either on incoming webhooks here in the center, or you can also do it on the left-hand side as well. We'll turn on the webhooks, and then add a new webhook to the workspace. From here, we'll select the channel that we want our notifications to go to, in this case, service notifications, and click Authorize. Now that we have the webhook defined, we can copy that and go to our UI, paste in the URL, and then click on Test and see if we get a notification. You see that we have a valid configuration set. So what we'll do now is we'll save it and go back to our jobs. From there, we'll go to our CLI and edit our Cron tab. And we will simply comment out the Magento 2 line and then wait for the timeouts to occur, which will happen, in this case, about 3 minutes. That 3 minutes is the time in between cron runs, as well as the grace period, which is configurable on a per job basis. Now you'll notice that the job statuses are going to failed, and we're getting messages in the service notifications. With that, we'll go back to our CLI, edit our cron tab again so that the cron job will now run. Now the next time the cron job will run, we'll see that these jobs are going to go back into a healthy state. We now see the jobs notifying us that they're in a healthy state now. And we're all back to normal.